Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a recipe for an easy, yeast-free vegetable and cheese fried bread that you can quickly prepare for your breakfast table. Let's start by adding 2 cups of flour into a mixing bowl. Add 1 level teaspoon of salt and 1 packet of baking powder, then mix. Next, finely dice 1 red bell pepper and add it to the bowl. The smaller you dice the pepper, the better it will be. Then, add about half a bunch of finely chopped parsley and mix again. Add 1 egg, 500 grams of grated white cheese, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 cup of cold milk, then mix. Gradually add more flour while continuing to mix. Once the dough starts to come together, remove it from the bowl and knead it by gradually adding flour. The dough should have the consistency of an earlobe. I ended up using a total of 4 cups of flour. Without waiting, sprinkle some flour on your counter. Place the dough on it, sprinkle a bit of flour on top, and roll it out. I rolled it out to a thickness of about half a centimeter. If you like, you can cut out circles using a glass dipped in flour. Use a cookie cutter, or simply cut it into squares with a knife. Gather the leftover pieces, roll them into a ball, and roll them out again to shape. Place the dough pieces into oil that is lightly heated. Fry them on medium heat, turning them over to cook both sides evenly. Once fried, place the bread on a plate lined with paper towels. Serve the vegetable bread hot. As you can see in the video, it didn't absorb any oil at all. It's both practical and very delicious. I hope you'll try and like it. For those who try, enjoy your meal in advance. If you enjoyed watching my video, You can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.